UK LLC helper scripts will load your project's data from the database into a program of your choice. The R helper is provided in the S drive at readall/rhelp. To run, take copies of both scripts rlabelhelper.r and rlabelfunctions.r and save them in your project folder. You will need to edit the rlabelhelper.r script with your project-specific requirements before you run it. Open rlabelhelper.r with RStudio and find the line containing the comment Action 1 enter/update project number, and then update the project number variable directly below it with your full project ID, in our demonstration cases as LLC0000. Then run the script up to just before method A. You will see a list of your available views printed to the console then. There are then 3 options to choose from for retrieving these available views. The first is to fetch one view at a time. Navigate to the method A comment in the script and find the data source and table variables directly below. The data source usually refers to the study the table is from, which is always the first underscore separated section of the view name. In our case, the source is demo. Then the table is the remaining part of the view name, in this case Socio Demo version 1. Enter these variables in lowercase, then run the code beneath Action 2A. The second option is to fetch all views from one data source. Navigate to method B and find the data source variable. As with fetching for one view at a time, enter the data source as it appears in the first part of the view name in lowercase, then run the code beneath. Thirdly, to fetch all views, run the section below method C. However, this is not recommended as it can be very slow if operating on a large number of views. All 3 methods will automatically assign value labels and variable labels to the data where available. You are welcome to modify your copy of rlabelhelper as you see fit.